my name's Clare. I'm from the UK, England. I chose Dr Gupta for my surgery after a lot of research on the internet, the usual Real Self, Google, websites, testimonials. The reason I chose to come and get the surgery done in India with Dr Gupta is because of his high recommendations of other patients. The reason I wanted to get the surgery done, I've had VESA on the face and body contouring. I like to work out and do Pilates and yoga, and it just wasn't shifting, so it was a Christmas present to myself to make me feel better after years of looking in the mirror wanting it to disappear. So my procedure was in a hospital in Delhi. From my check-in, everything went seamlessly. The nurses were very attentive. I knew what was happening from I checked in. The room was clean, modern, with all the facilities that you would expect. Once I went down for my surgery, from there on in, after the surgery, the nurses were very attentive. Dr Gupta was there to talk me through the procedures from the beginning, and then checked in with me when I'd come round, I think it was about 3 o'clock. I then recovered in the nice room for a while and checked out later around about 8 o'clock that day after I'd had my surgery with my body kit on. So the reason I chose to have my procedure in India, we've been visiting India for many years. People do get this conception that India's not the place to get anything done, but I feel safer in India getting my procedure than I would in the UK. Obviously it's value for money as well, but I'm happier to have procedures in India than back home in the UK. I just feel a lot safer. The surgery is clean. Obviously it's a bit bonkers outside, but everything else with regards to procedures is 110%. Highly recommended. So 2 days post-op, I'm sat back in the clinic with Dr Gupta. Obviously had a bit of discomfort, not so much pain, just a bit uncomfortable. The results that I've seen so far are just outstanding. I couldn't actually ask for a better result. I'm absolutely gobsmacked with what I can see in the mirror at this moment in time. Overall experience with Dr Gupta has been second to none, from the first initial WhatsApp meeting to meeting him in person. I just felt comfortable the whole way through the procedure. Obviously my life was in his hands, and he's looked after my body and made it better.